going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort. And China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe. If you do like what you're listening to, please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that it is all planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books, Crypto Teacher and the New World Order book. The New World Order book is going to show you how the world works. It is definitely time to wake up out of your sleep in the times that we're in right now. Plus, guys, we know we're waiting on that next main event towards the end of the year. We had the first quarter event. Like I told you, that would happen. Don't forget, this is Shemitah year. And then also, I want to thank those who purchased the 3 Kids books. It's definitely time to re-educate. And also, those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon, much love, keep it coming. Do not forget I have the New World Order cryptos in my Patreon. Do your own research, but going inside of a bear market, you definitely want the cryptos that have real use cases. And much love to those who are shopping at both stores, keep it coming. And of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. And right now, Bitcoin and cryptos are pulling back just like the stock market. Remember, guys, we're moving lockstep with the NASDAQ, and as we can see, yield rates are back rising. And don't forget, today is Friday, so we have options, so we normally pull back anyway. But yield rates are definitely rising. Guys, make sure you're paying attention to the indicators. That is yields. That is volume, and volume is going to be very important for the weekend, so therefore we know what type of weekend we're going to have. We know we are the only game in town, so definitely we need to look at yield rates, volume, Tether, USDC, plus the Fed's repo. Yesterday it was about 1.7 billion, and we have the BIS says the central banks are looking towards CBDC for more payment efficiency. We know the NWO creates the problem, wait for the reaction, and come in with the solution. And that solution is a digital economy, cryptocurrencies in a virtual world. And then also, guys, we have Grayscale pulled back to about 36 billion. Make sure you're paying attention to the actual allocations. Now, getting over into a little crypto news, we have Terraform Labs gifts another 880 million to Luna Foundation Guard. And like I stated, Terra is definitely getting ready for the bear market. Now we have Binance and Coinbase silent on Bitcoin Lightning. And guys, we know eventually they're definitely going to integrate it. And we see the Lightning Network being used globally. Now we have Binance launches its first customer center in Turkey. And we know back in December, Turkey had fined Binance. So we know this is all a strategic move by Binance. Now we have North Korean Lazarus Group allegedly behind Ronin Bridge hack. And we know when it comes to hacking, when it comes to the Western media, they're going to blame one of 3. So we have North Korea, we have Russia, and we have China. Guys, we know how this movie works. They've been doing it for over 20 years. Now we have Tornado Cash as chain analysis to block sanctioned wallets. And we're going to see chain analysis add and more protocols, so therefore they can track all movements. Like I stated before, they're going to take privacy away based on national security. Everything is planned out, guys. And remember, the crypto teacher told you. Now we have the Central Bank of Portuguese grants its first crypto license to Bison Bank. Also, we have the Emirates plans to launch NFTs and expand experience in the metaverse. And we see every country moving in lockstep when it comes to cryptocurrency, NFTs, and the metaverse. You can't go to one country without seeing a plan. Now we have Mercado Bitcoin plans to launch a quantitative crypto trading service with partnership with Giant Steps. And guys, we know when it comes to this casino, it just keeps getting bigger and bigger. They're just going to take this legacy market that we have right now, tokenize it, and put it on blockchain where everything is basically almost free for the house. And remember, the house always wins when it comes to the casino. Now we have top Latin American delivery app Rappi integrates with Bitso and BitPay to accept crypto. And that will be a trial project in Mexico. Now we have Meta begins to allow sales of digital goods on Horizon, but they'll be taking close to a 50% cut in your sale. And lastly, guys, we have quantum computing firm simulates adoption of crypto payments. And guys, I already been over BlackRock's Aladdin, and they did over 1.2 quadrillion possible configurations. So guys, basically using math, they can tell the future. So just imagine when they get you inside the metaverse and they start taking all this data, all this brain data. They will know everything that you're thinking about and also what you're about to do. And remember, the crypto teacher told you, because he knows when it comes to the New World Order, it's all planned out. But guys, all I have for you, don't forget about the books, Crypto Teacher and the New World Order book, plus the 3 kids books. It's time to re-educate. Also, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, BitChute, Binance, and not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The Crypto Teacher Stock Channel, Crypto Teacher Stocks. You have your Kobo, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming. While everybody's sitting at home, get their own stocks, the C-Word, the biotech stocks, and while everybody's at home wishing they were still getting that free money, what they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and y'all have a wonderful day. The most powerful person in the world is the storyteller. The storyteller sets the vision, values, and agenda of an entire generation to come. Steve Jobs. And guys, you know I truly believe in this. When you look at the New World Order, they're the storytellers. And that's the reason why I wrote my New World Order book. But guys, now it's time to change the current generation. And I wrote 3 kids books. You know I love the Trinity because I understand the power that's in it. So I have 3 books. We have an opportunity to change the generation, to educate, not just me, but I want to show you that I take action on a daily basis. And I want you to take action on a daily basis. Whether it's your job, whether it's in your community, we have an opportunity right now to educate the masses. I posted this on my Twitter account. Please share, but this is a short clip of the 3 books. There's going to be a clothing line and action figures. Please get these books for your kids, nephews, cousins, friends. So therefore, we can start the re-education now. Because as we see, the 4th Industrial Revolution foundation is definitely here. Robots, algorithms, drones, taking humanity out the picture. We have to re-educate. But let's get into the video.
Part 1. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save the village. Part 2. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save New York from COVID-33. Part 3. King Joshua and Grandma Tam goes to China.
It's mandatory to get part 1, part 2, and part 3 of this series. It's time to re-educate Generation Z.